The MX-5 beats the GR86 at everything that doesn't matter. Track precision, steering feel, weight distribution. The GR86 wins at what does: power, cargo space, passenger seats, and the ability to run 300 horsepower without grenading your bottom end. You're about to spend $30,000 on a sports car, plus another 10 on mods. The question isn't which car handles better stock, it's which platform delivers more performance per dollar after you've thrown parts at it. And that answer changes depending on whether you're building for Instagram or lap times. Let's kill the power argument first. Stock GR86, 228 horsepower. Stock MX-5, 181. That 47 horsepower gap becomes a 100 horsepower canyon once you start modding. The GR86's FA24 takes boost like it was designed for it. 350 horsepower on pump gas with an $8,000 turbo kit. The MX-5's 2-liter? 300 max before you're shopping for pistons, but raw power means nothing if you can't put it down. Here's where MX-5 owners get smug. 2,341 pounds. That's 470 pounds lighter than the GR86. On a tight autocross course, that weight advantage murders the power deficit. The MX-5 pulls 0.91 G on the skid pad stock. Add $2,000 in suspension from Zeta or AST. You're embarrassing Porsches. Most of you don't live at the track. You drive to work, to dinner, through weather that isn't always 70 and sunny. The GR86's rear seats hold actual humans under 5'10". The trunk swallows a set of track wheels from threepiece.us. Try that in an MX-5. You'll be strapping wheels to your passenger seat like some kind of automotive Jenga player. Now let's talk money. Real money, not forum fantasy builds. A proper street setup for the GR86 runs $5,000 to $9,000. BC Racing coilovers, $1,200. Headers and tune, $2,000. Wheels and tires in 18 by 9.5, $3,000 at threepiece.us. You're looking at 250 to 270 horsepower and handling that'll shame most things under $60,000. The MX-5 build costs less up front, $4,600 to $8,600 for similar mods. But here's the catch. You're starting with less power, and you can't add much more without forced induction. That naturally aspirated ceiling hits at 220 horsepower. Meanwhile, GR86 owners are pushing 270 naturally aspirated with just bolt-ons and a tune. Track builds flip the script. The MX-5's lighter weight means cheaper consumables. Brake pads last longer. Tires live extra sessions. Fuel consumption drops 20%. Over a season, you're saving $3,000 in operating costs. That Zeta suspension that costs $5,000, it'll outlast 2 sets of whatever you put on the GR86. RTV silicone. 2 words that turn GR86 owners into Subaru service department regulars. Early 2022 models had excess sealant breaking off and clogging oil passages. Engine replacement, $5,000. Out of warranty. Toyota fixed it for 2023, but check your build date. March through October 2022? You're playing reliability roulette. The MX-5's issues? Soft top wear at 70,000 miles. $2,000 to replace. Transmission synchros get notchy around 90,000. $3,000 to rebuild. That's it. 30 years of production means Mazda's worked out the bugs. Your local Miata specialist has seen everything. Twice. Stance builds expose each platform's personality. The GR86 takes wide-body kits like it was meant for them. Air suspension from Airlift or AccuAir, $4,000. Rocket Bunny or Varus kit, $3,000 to $5,000. Custom 3-piece wheels, $6,000 from threepiece.us. Total investment, $15,000 to $20,000 for Instagram excellence. The MX-5 stance scene runs cheaper but stays classier. That roadster silhouette doesn't need a wide body to look right. $9,000 to $19,000 gets you aired out with quality wheels. But here's what nobody mentions: soft top clearance. Lower it too much and your top won't close. RF models give you another inch, but That's a $3,000 option. You buy the MX-5 for the drive, that telepathic steering, the way it shrinks around you on a back road, the convertible experience that makes every commute an event. It's a motorcycle with 4 wheels and a warranty. Nothing else at this price delivers that pure sports car feel. You buy the GR86 for the build. More power potential, more modification paths, more room for your life between track days. It's the Swiss Army knife of affordable performance. Not the sharpest tool for any single job, but the only one that handles them all. Track rats and weekend canyon warriors. Buy the MX-5. Accept the power deficit. Embrace the storage limitations. You're not buying transportation. You're buying the closest thing to a Lotus Elise that won't bankrupt you. That Mazda reliability means more seat time, less wrench time. Everyone else, buy the GR86. The extra 47 horsepower matters more than journalists admit. The back seats matter when you're 25 and your friends exist. The larger trunk matters when track day means hauling tools, tires, and a cooler. The hardtop matters when you live where it rains. Both cars are miracles in today's market. Rear-wheel drive, manual transmissions, under $35,000. They're not competitors, they're the last of their kind. Buy whichever one speaks to you, build it right, and enjoy it before the electric apocalypse makes this whole argument irrelevant. Hit threepiece.us for wheels that'll make either choice look correct.